Say More with Avatars is now on WhatsApp. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create and use avatars in WhatsApp. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you're welcome. Let's get started. Launch WhatsApp on your mobile device. On your profile, make sure you are on the chat section right here. Tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner. Tap on Settings. Tap on Avatar. Create, edit profile photo. Say More with Avatars now on WhatsApp. Tap on Create your avatar. Say More with Avatars now on WhatsApp. You can personalize your avatar's appearance, share how you feel with avatar stickers, set your avatar as your profile photo. So let's get started. Choose a skin tone for your avatar. Next, you can choose hairstyles, outfits, and more. Make sure you personalize your avatar to your taste. So right here, I'll be choosing a skin tone. I'll be going for a darker tone. Tap Next. This is it. I will choose a hairstyle. What hairstyle am I going for? I will go with this. This is the hairstyle. Tap here for the hair color. I need a darker color as well. Next is the outfit. Choose an outfit. Let me go with this. Next, choose the body. I'm going with this body. This, my avatar, is taking shape right now. Continue in that order to create your avatar. Once you are done, tap Done at the top right hand corner. Save changes. Your avatar is being updated. Show off your avatar's new look with profile updates and personalized stickers on WhatsApp. Tap Next. You can save this as your profile picture. Tap on Create Profile Photo to do that. If you still want to edit this avatar, you tap on Edit Avatar. You can also change the background if you don't like the one you have chosen. Tap on this icon at the top right hand corner here. My profile photo has been updated. So let me see my profile photo. I will simply head to my settings to see my profile photo. Look at it. This is my new profile photo. This is how you can change your profile photo with an avatar. To use this in chats, simply head to your chats section, open any conversation at all, tap on the emoji icon, tap on the avatar icon. You can select from love, happy, sad, angry, reaction, lifestyle, anyone. You can just tap all to select any avatar of your choice. This is how you can use avatar in chats as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Please share with your friends and groups so that they too will benefit. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Turn on notifications as well. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.